Guys, welcome back to lesson sound 8. And lesson sound 8, it's a sound what we call an E caduc. The E, in most cases, the E is at the end of words, and we say that the E's are not pronounced. It's a very light and neutral sound that can be found in stressed syllables. It's like a quick soft the E, but I would like to say that don't pronounce it. Don't pronounce it. This is how it looks like when IPA, you can see there. That's phonetically, that's how you write it. The last E's of a word, or the E's which are not pronounced. They're silent E's. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see the phonetically this is how you write it. So it's not really pronounced. Check these words. You see the way it's written, like le, just like le, le, je, le, je, parle, chante. You remember this sound we did? N, chante. Petite, the petite, and then we come to the practice sentences. You can see there le. I'm trying to zoom to get everything correct. Le chat est noir. Check that. Le chat est noir. The cat is black. Le chat est noir. Je parle français. You have two of them. Je parle. So the E there is just like silent. Don't pronounce it. Je parle français. Elle. We have the E there. Elle chante. The E there. Très bien. Elle chante très bien. Le livre est sur la table. We have le livre, table. Le livre est sur la table. Book is on the table. Petite fille. Elle aime jouer. Petite fille. Elle aime. But now we have some liaison here because of this vowel. Elle aime jouer. So what I'm trying to say here is this sound, this rule is in all words in French. If the word ends with an E, that E, you don't say it. So if it's like chante, you stop there, the T where the T is. Chante. Not chante, no. Don't pronounce that E there. Chante. Thank you guys, and wait for lesson number 9 coming very soon. Thank you very much. May God bless you.